Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the chord D minor. D minor. So let's get started. So that's the sound of the D minor chord. To play this chord, you place finger number 1 on the very first string of the first fret, and then place finger number 2 on the third string of the second fret. You want to skip a string, and then finger number 3 on the second string of the third fret, and then play all strings 4 down. That is a D minor chord. And like a lot of minor chords, they kind of sound dark and gloomy compared to the major chords. So this is D minor. Here's D major, D minor. So you can kind of hear the sound of that. So again, just kind of remember the shape. Just you can lift off your fingers, place them back down. Okay, again, review. Finger number 1 is on the first string of the first fret. Finger number 2, you want to skip a string, place it on string number 3 of the second fret, and then finger number 3 is on the second string of the third fret, and then strum the 4th string down. That is how you make the D minor chord. Okay, to learn other guitar chords, just simply visit my playlist in the description below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button afterwards. And if you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found. And you'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day. God bless you.